Hello guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Booster, your go-to destination for all things related to Wi-Fi speed optimization. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a Wi-Fi repeater to extend your network coverage and eliminate those annoying dead zones in your home or office. Let's get started. Materials you'll need for this setup: a Wi-Fi repeater, a power source, and your Wi-Fi network name and password. Now, plug your Wi-Fi repeater into a power outlet in a central location between your router and the area with weak signal. Wait for the lights to turn on. Now, use a computer or mobile device to connect to the repeater's default network. This is usually an open network or a network with a default name. Open a web browser and enter the IP address provided in the repeater's manual, commonly something like 192.168.10.1. This will take you to the repeater's configuration page. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the repeater. After configuring the repeater, reconnect your laptop, PC, or mobile device to the newly extended network. Now, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and select the wireless network with the same name as your existing Wi-Fi network, followed by the word EXT or extended. Once connected to the extended network, check the Wi-Fi signal strength and browse the internet to ensure a stable wireless connection. You should experience improved Wi-Fi coverage in the previously weak areas of your home. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Wi-Fi repeater. If you're experiencing any issues in the process, don't hesitate to contact our customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Wi-Fi Booster.